Hi, I'm Sean James. I'm working on a manifold system that could attach to a standard ventilator that will allow multiple patients to be served off of the single ventilator. The goal of the project is to save lives by making more ventilator capacity available to patients. I've read the report from the original doctors who did the experiment, Neiman and Babcock. There's a lot of critique online about cross-contamination and other issues. We've tried to deal with that with these manifolds here. The way this manifold works is it takes an airflow stream from the ventilator and distributes it to 4 separate patients. The doctors have an option of using plugs so they can just serve 1 patient or 2 or 3 or 4, and they can also plug these ports so they can change out patients. These manifolds have backflow preventers that's made out of very, very simple parts around town. Inside of this manifold, inside these cups is a ping pong ball. This ping pong ball allows airflow in only one direction. So typically the air is flowing, the ping pong ball is floating. If the airflow tries to go the other way, it drops into the socket and prevents the airflow. This is intended to be something that can be used anywhere in the world, printed with a simple hobbyist 3D printer and parts and pieces that should be readily available. Typical ways of splitting ventilators are just simple splitter valves. Right away you can see the issue that contamination could flow from one direction around to the other direction. The other issue is if one patient starts to develop irregular breathing, then those pressure transients could then impact the rest of the patients as well. So this system is a more optimal setup to serve multiple patients.